Welcome to Muckersworld and rain in Dubai. Oh my giddy aunt. Come to Dubai for sunshine, they say. Ugh, yuck, 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 yuck. And there's thunder as well. Can we see some lightning? Thunder! Feel the thunder! Lightning and the thunder! Thunder! There's the thunder. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Scary Mary! Whoa! Now there's going to be some flooding. It's horrible, 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 yucky, 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 yucky. Luckily, I have some refreshment. Okay, this is like going to be really nasty. Now, I don't know if you can see, but that's how much water. Hello, Metro! Oh, this is not a happy day off. It's lashing down, look at that. Oh well, at least Danny and I are safe and well at home. Mr. Red Horse is keeping us going. Bit of Motorhead playing. And there's the lightning. It's gonna be a big one. Woo-wee. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna get worse. Boom! Did you hear that one? Okay. Time to go indoors. Stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe. Please, thank you. Salamat. In the words of the great philosopher, to infinity and beyond. Take care, God bless. In the words of the great philosopher, cheers.